Hi everyone. Today we will be downloading and installing Microsoft's newest operating system, Windows 11, in a Hyper-V setting. In the description below, you will find a link to Microsoft's website where you're able to download a copy of the Windows 11 ISO for yourself. Otherwise, open your web browser and do a quick search for Windows 11 ISO. The correct option should be your first link. Now that we are on the Microsoft web page, start by clicking Download under the ISO section. Choose your language, in my case English. Click Confirm. Finally, click 64-bit download. This will begin the download for your Windows 11 image. To save time, I have already downloaded this, so go ahead, pause the video, and let your download finish. Now that your download is finished, we can begin building the virtual machine. Open your Start menu, search for Hyper-V, and open Hyper-V Manager. From here, we will select New, Virtual Machine, and it will open a wizard for us. Click Next through the first page. Choose a name for your virtual machine. In our case, we will simply name it Windows 11. If you would like to store your virtual machine in a specific location, you can do so by checking this box and pointing it to the location you would like. For today's example, the default settings will do just fine. With Windows 11, it is important to select the Generation 2 option here. Otherwise, we will not be able to access the TPM settings that we need to. The minimum amount of RAM needed to make this virtual machine work is 4096 megabytes, in other words, 4 gigabytes, so that's what we'll choose. Click Next, choose your internet connection, Next again, choose the location that you would like the virtual hard drive, make sure that you have enough space in this location or the drive you are choosing. The minimum amount of space recommended is 60 gigabytes, so again, that's what we'll use. Click Next. Now let's inject the operating system that we just downloaded. Choose Install an operating system from a bootable image file. Click Browse. Locate the file. Yours will be under the download section. Select the ISO file we just downloaded. Click Next, and your settings should look similar to this once you're finished. Go ahead and select Finish and let the virtual machine build. Alright, our virtual machine is built, but if you were to launch it now and try to install Windows 11, you would run into an error message that looks like this, and you will not be able to go any further. To fix this, we will select our virtual machine and navigate to the settings. Inside the settings, select the Security tab and confirm that both Secure Boot and Trusted Platform Module are both selected. I have also experienced similar errors when the virtual machine processor cores are below 4. This issue might be specific to me, but we might as well take care of it while we are in here. Now choose Apply. Our virtual machine is configured, and we are now ready to boot up and install Windows 11. We will want to connect to the virtual machine prior to booting it the first time to ensure that we were able to launch the installer. So choose Connect. Now click Start and press any key once prompted. If everything is done correctly, we are now booted up to the Install GUI. Choose your language and click Next. Choose Install Now. Choose We do not have a product key. Pick your preferred version of Windows. For me, it's going to be Windows 11 Pro. If you use the link provided, you will have the option for every current version of Windows 11. Choose Next. Be sure to read and accept the licensing terms. Click Next. Custom. Select Next one last time. and your Windows 11 install will begin. From here, the installer should be very similar to any previous version of Windows. I hope this video helped you get up and running with Microsoft Windows 11 in a Hyper-V setting. Be sure to leave a like on this video and drop me a comment to let me know how you are liking Windows 11 so far.